Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. Making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken. So let's get started. Week started on the 7th July, and this is the first one. First trade is Bitcoin on the 7th. Right here on the left, you can see here the entry and the SL move to break even plus. You can see with the yellow mark, and this is the entry. Entry has to be with 4 conditions. If all 4 conditions are there, then my EA opens the trade, or I open the trade when the alarms are. If sometimes I have the alarm, but most of the time nowadays I have the EA that I made, and it opens up the trade for me and plays the SL and TP and all of that. So, but of course, with the analysis, the EA I cannot leave on the chart at 24-hour, right? So whenever I feel like that this pair is going to move in that direction, then I place the EA in that direction. And then when I'm not there or sleeping, the EA still takes the trade if the entry shows up. So this is the first one, sell order Bitcoin from here to here. Second trade was gold, small trade. As wave 4, I was expecting to go down before wave 5 going to the upside. So from going down for wave 4, this is the small trade there. On the 8th, on the 8th of pound CAD going to the upside for 115 pip. But this, like I said, that here buy entry was on last Friday. So the entry was on Friday, and then Monday I kept it open because the Friday it didn't move much, but Monday it went up and 115 pip right there. Nasdaq from here to here on the 8th, buy orders right there. And Bitcoin again going to the upside, beautiful entry here, bad pattern, but it's going to be a fair bad pattern. I mentioned already, right? So this was when the bad pattern was in the making from C to D. Made an entry in the middle and take it to the finishing or completion of the pattern. Then as I was expecting that it's not gonna drop and it's gonna go up, then I had a couple of more trades to the upside as a failed bad pattern. You can see this one. This is the third one, and this one all from the other computer, my son's account. I was taking this one as well, which is this one. See that here? So I had this trade, I had this one all the way, and then I had from my computer this one also. This one, the last one was this, right? So beautiful, failed bad pattern. That's what I'm talking about. That if you learn how to trade these patterns creatively, or Elliott wave, as for that matter, it doesn't matter. Even if your analysis is wrong with the system, you will always make it right. So that's how it is. On the 10 USD yen 7-minute chart, all the way from here to here, it looks big, but it's only 85 pip because it's from 7-minute chart. Buy orders right there. And everything, all the trades are by the book, by the setup. Now, gold 20-minute chart on the 10th from here to here, 23.59 to 23.80. My target was there. It was going to the upside, but I had suspicions, and I said, okay, what the hell with it? I closed that, but I got the target anyway later on. But this one was closed here. And this one, a pound yen long entry here, buy orders right there for 125 pip. This is euro yen pairsman again to the upside, 75 pip here, and euro yen again. This one from 7-minute chart, 95 pip. The same trade, but one from my computer, one from my son's computer. This is 7-minute chart. And pound yen 7-minute chart as well. He took that one as well. So this is all the way to the upside. And Japan's Nikkei from here to here. Buy orders out there. This system, right? This Renko candle system, entry system, you can trade anything that you can open on MT4, including the Forex, metals, energy, or indices, index, whatever you can trade. Whatever you can open in MT4, you can test and come up with the brick sizes and then trade using this system. Most of the things that I already tested and made the brick size, and whoever wants to trade whatever, I provide those big sizes. On the 10th here, Nasdaq, you can see beautiful by the book entry all the way to the upside from 20,502 to 2665. S&P 500, beautiful by the book entry here, all the way here from 55.90 to 56.31. Gold from 200 big size buy orders right there, beautiful entry all the way to the upside. This is the fifth wave starting. Let me show you the charts I have here. Okay, this one I made the chart on the 8th that this wave 4 is going to be finishing like that, and then wave 5 will go to the upside. This is wave 3, this is wave 4, this is wave 3, this is going to be wave 4, A, B, C, A, B, C, right? Wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and then 5 will go to the upside. So when 5 started to go, this is what happened. This was the trade. Where this is the first trade there, and then on the this is Euro USD by the way, going to the upside on the 11th. Then gold trade we have to see this one from the 150. This is my son Omar's computer from 150 brick size he uses, and this entry was taken all the way the same place, and then Bitcoin started to go down a little bit, sell orders right there, and then Bitcoin again retracing a little bit, and then it went down from 58,532 to 57,914 on the 11th. And then gold, the last but not the least, that this is again after this it retraced and started to go up. This one from 2407 to 2421, and this is from a 40-minute chart. Go 400, not 40-minute, but 400 big size. That I call it 40-minute. Yeah. So from here to here as well. So I just took like 150 is like 5-minute chart. 200 big size is like 15-minute chart. 400 big size is like 4-hour chart. So I took all these entries from different time frame just to show that the system you can use in different time frames, and then wherever you find the entry according to the system, you can take the trade, no problem, right? So this is how it's done. USD yen 80 pip on the 11th, and then again Bitcoin small trade to the downside on the 11th, and then this is pound yen from here. This little arrow here, that's the EA taking the trade, 120 pip all the way to the upside. Yen, yen intervention, a lot of volatility in yen pairs, right? And then USD yen from here to here, 65 pip on the 12th, and on the 12th, euro yen again from here to there. First, they dropped actually the yen intervention. Obviously, all yen pair went down, but I didn't have any trade at all. It was so fast and furious that even my ear didn't take any trade. But then again, slowly it started to go up again after coming down after the intervention. Then it started to go up. So these are the trades going to the upside again. And I think that yen pairs are up to on the long side a lot more than before. So there will be next week yen pair will gonna go up again, unless they come in again. And I doubt it, seriously doubt it. They spent a couple of billion yens already, right? Today's intervention. Yesterday intervention, Thursday they did, right? Gold again, small trade on the 12th today, 2410 to 2417. And last but not the least, it's not even last one, so it's a Nasdaq on the 12th. Look at that beautiful entry here, and all the way big move to the upside. And I wrote down here a little note that you can trade anything with the system that you can open in MT4, including Forex, metal, oil indices, stocks, etc., right? Anything you can open in the MT4. And the last trade is actually pound USD. From here to there is 75 pip on the 12, because USD after the news, I think there was CPI news and then PPI both came down bad, and USD started to get weaker. So Euro USD and pound USD, they went up like this. Oh, this is all the trades taken, almost 30 trades this week using this system, and of course my analysis. You can't do without the analysis. That's why I encourage that subscribe So a lot of people want to just get this EA, but if you don't know my system, that EA is not going to do any good. Right, so you must know the system as well, because the EA based on these Renko candles. If you want to try to that EA on the regular candlestick, Japanese candlestick, is not going to work, right? So you must understand the system, and you must have my indicator that opens these Renko candles, and then you can use the EA, either my CTS5 or Sniper. Both EAs are based on these Renko candles, right? So if you wish, then you have to take either if you already taken your previous subscriber, then fine, then you can get the EA. I will give it to you. But if not, then no. Right, so you must subscribe and become my subscriber, or get one of those combination where you can do one-on-one with me. I explain and teach every single thing, and then take the EA as well, and then you're good to go. Okay. And if you like what you saw, you want to get something, sign up for one-on-one or monthly subscription or whatever, then go on my website here. And let me see. Yeah. So this is one-on-one here. Recent trade, you can see before and after. You can see my two courses, harmonic pattern course, and this is the robots, man. So this is courses. Learn all about harmonic patterns and learn all about Elliott wave. These are very, very powerful courses. By the way, let me show you that how these things help, right? So, for example, this is gold 40-minute, right? Second, you saw so many gold trades I took. So this is the one that Elliott wave count 1, 2, and I said for wave 3 we're gonna be going big time to the upside. And what happened to this straight chart? Look at that. 1, 2, it went up a little bit and came down one more time, and then boom, it went. And then I made this chart and it came down. And then let me show you. And then what happened? That I made this chart when it came down, and I says he's gonna finish up this A, B, C wave 4, and then he's gonna go up for wave 5 like that. Right? I placed this diagram, and look what happened to this chart. It did the same thing. A, B, C, came down here, B, C, and boom. And going up here, I had those long trades, big long trades, right? And this is how if you know exactly what's, and then for example, another one, harmonic pattern, for example, this is the chart, the Euro USD 40-minute chart, wave 1, 2, or X, A, B, C, D. This is the harmonic pattern, right? D is just finished at 78% as a bullish girdle, and it's supposed to go to the upside like that, right? So look what happened to this so far. As of today, it is here. Which is X, A, B, C, D, and then I made the chart. It's going to go up, and from here to here, went up. And I had the trade, nice little trade from here to here. This pair doesn't move much, but, it's a 55, 60 pip trade. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Whatever comes in my way, yeah, I take it. So harmonic patterns, Elliott wave makes life much, much easier. Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, I just showed you the website, and I also have a Telegram where I place, I put most of, like this one, for example. This chart, you see, yen index chart, all yen pairs should be going to the upside again if we start to go to the upside from here. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4 finish. And next week, hopefully, I think that we're going to fly to the upside. All yen pairs are going to fly to the upside. So this is the chart I made, and I posted on the Telegram already on the 11th. Friday, nothing happened. All yen pair went flat. But I think that if they do not come in again and made the intervention, then all yen pair gonna go up, right? So if you have, if they want to, keep these things down, or maybe USD yen down, then they have to come in again. If they don't, then that's it. They are going up again. So this is the result for the intervention. After the intervention, it went down from 3 to 4, and now slowly going to the upside. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest. The weekend is just starting, right? Today is Friday, ending, and tomorrow Saturday, Sunday. Enjoy. And what the heck? Okay, no problem. Something. Maggie 197. I don't know what the heck is that. Oh. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.